Is Cash App Borrow playing hide and seek on your phone? Don't worry, we're about to troubleshoot why that borrow feature might be Mia. First, let's make sure you're even eligible. Cash App doesn't offer borrow to everyone, so tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find support. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. Tap on support. Next, tap something else. Now, search for borrow in the search bar. Select any article related to borrow. Look for information on eligibility requirements. Things like your Cash App activity, credit history, and location can all play a role. If you don't meet the criteria, that's likely why you aren't seeing it. If you think you should be eligible, your app might be outdated. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Cash App. If there's an update button, tap it. Outdated apps can cause features to malfunction. Sometimes, Cash App might restrict features due to security concerns or policy violations. In the support section, try directly contacting Cash App support through chat or phone. Both options are available. In the help articles, explain that the borrow feature isn't showing up and ask if there are any restrictions on your account. If all else fails, and you've confirmed you're eligible and your app is updated, Cash App support is your best bet to unlock that borrow feature. Hopefully, with these steps, you'll be borrowing with Cash App in no time.